Hello everyone, it's Robin, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today for lunch I made a delicious ricotta potato chip fish cake with green peas. I'll show you how to make it. Take a little bag of potato chips. Sour cream and onion are great. They give it a great fish and chips flavor and it keeps it gluten-free. Add Old Bay seasoning, drained pink salmon and ricotta cheese, zest a lemon, and give it a good mix. The full recipe is on my website. The link to that is in the description box. Divide it into 4 if you're making big old burgers, or divide it into 8 if you want to make little patties, especially for the little ones. That gets them to eat their peas and to get them to eat a little bit of salmon. So in butter on medium-high heat, fry them for 2 minutes each side. Do not wipe out the pan. Put in the frozen peas, add a little bit of salt in the half and half, and then you can serve that on a platter or each individual plate, or put the peas in little cups. And then serve it like so. And like I said, 8 little patties or 4 big ones to make big old salmon burgers. These were delicious on toasted buns. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help.